Hello all, welcome to the day 38 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 12. The question goes like this. Two farmers, Ramakrishnan and Guru Charan Singh, cultivate only three varieties of rice, namely Basmati, Parmal and Nora. The sale in rupees of these varieties of rice by both the farmers in the month of September and October are given in the following matrices A and B. The matrix A represents the September sales. Matrix B represents the October sales. In matrix A, the first row specifies the amount earned by Ramakrishnan by selling the three varieties of rice. Same way, the second row in matrix A specifies the amount earned by Guru Charan by selling the three varieties of rice in the month of September. Same way in October sales also. Question 1. The total sales in September and October for each farmer in each variety can be represented as. Of course, we have to add the quantities. So the answer is A. Question 2. What is the value of A23? That is second row and third column, which is 10,000. Answer is option A. Question 3. The decrease in sales from September to October is given by. Obviously, we have to subtract to get the decrease in sales. Answer is option B. Question 4. If Ramakrishnan receives 2% profit on gross sales, compute his profit for each variety sold in October. Ramakrishnan's October sales is 5,000, 10,000 and 6,000. For this, we have to compute the 2%. 0.02 times 5,000, 10,000 and 6,000. On multiplying this, we get 100, 200 and 120. So the answer is option A. Question 5. If Guru Charan receives 2% profit on gross sales, compute his profit for each variety sold in September. So now this time it is Guru Charan and it is September sales. 2% of 50,000, 30,000 and 10,000. 0.02 times 50,000, 30,000 and 10,000. On multiplying, we get 1,000, 600 and 200. So the answer is option B. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.